So Emory-Outdoors here, and back at Browns Creek, trying fishing again. It's high tide's at 11. It's 8:36 right now, so tide's coming in. Hoping to catch some fish today. I can see them all around me. Oh. I caught a fish. Caught a little red. Nice. Oh. There we go. Yeah. Hold on. There we go. Oh. A nice little fish. I'll let you go. All right, caught one. So the funny thing about the fish I just caught was I just turned the camera on. I was like, oh, I need to get some footage, and casted and caught that fish. That's pretty funny. Oh my. I got a big one. I mean, he's pulling me around under the boat. Oh yeah, big fish. We're measuring this one. Oh my God, he doesn't even fit in the net. Wow. Look at that beauty. Look at that. That's probably what was chasing the bait fish a minute ago. Wow. What a beauty. Alright, just stay calm. You be calm, I'll be calm. God. He is 25 inches long. And there he goes. Oh, that was awesome. Man, 25-inch fish. Wow. That was sweet. I need a drink of water after that. Wow. Alright, I just caught a 25-inch fish. That was sweet. The sucker was heavy, and I was going to let him go. He hopped out of the boat, so that saved me from putting him back, but he helped himself back in the water. But man, that was cool. He fought pretty hard. He was pulling the boat around pretty good. That was awesome. Man, he was jumping out of the water. That was cool. And he threw the hook again. Man, those things are good fighters. That's incredible. So a really nice day out on the water. I'm heading back, just passed through the bridge. I had 2 fish in the boat, and I had 3 get away right close to the boat. So that was still cool. And I had several bites, so it was a great day out. Fished, with the incoming tide, and Browns Creek is really pretty up in there. So if you've been to Browns Creek and caught fish, comment, let me know. Kind of interested what you were using. Still trying to get the hang of this. Actually, I did real good this afternoon, but yeah, it was cool. Make sure and subscribe and hit the like button, please. It really helps my channel. And I've got a coffee page, and I've got some checklists, none for fishing, but I've got a little boat repair kit and a camping, camp kit. And I'll be doing some more kayak camping in the fall, waiting for it to cool off a bit. It's still pretty hot. But yeah, thanks for watching. tip.